In this video, you will learn how to make money with Facebook ads. Making money with Facebook ads involves using the platform's powerful advertising tools to drive traffic to your business, promote products or services. One of the most common ways is by running paid ad campaigns. This can be to promote products or services that you own, whether physical goods, digital goods, or even consulting services. You can create targeted ads based on age, interest, location, all to reach the right audience, driving them to your website or landing page to make a purchase with you. Another way to make money is by becoming an affiliate marketer. This will help promoting other companies' products through Facebook ads and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referrals. Additionally, you can build Facebook pages or groups around a hot niche or topic, and once you've engaged following, you can monetize it through sponsored posts. This is where businesses pay you to promote their products. Lead ad generation. This can also be profitable by offering something valuable like an ebook, webinar, or discount in change for users. Contact information. You can build a list and later market products or services to them. Finally, you can also sell your Facebook ad management skills by helping other businesses set up, manage, and optimize their Facebook ad campaigns for a fee. With the right strategies and knowledge of targeting and ad creation, Facebook ads can be a powerful income stream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.